it just me and I cannot see any color? She na eye dey pain me. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. Due to some reasons I couldn't be here, but now I'm here finally. So yes, like the description said, I will be dyeing my hair for the second time in a year and 6 months, or a year and 5 months, but I can't really remember the exact month, but it's been a year and few months, so as you can see, the dye has shifted, so it's just at the tip, and I'm not really feeling it because there's sometimes where I braid my hair and then it's just I don't like this two-tone thing. If I want to go full, let me go full, but not halfway. So yes, it's time for me to re-dye it, and I know I've been pushing this video because I wanted to dye for people to see the whole process while I'm dyeing my hair. So you guys owe me on this one. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give it a thumbs up because obviously you're going to like it. Anyways, let's get right into the video. I'm not a stylist or anything, I just watch DIYs which I suck at. So I will be trying this out for the first time by myself, God help me. So yes, today we'll be using this dye, Creme of Nature, in the shade 7.3 medium warm brown. So I was just rambling around the house and then my mom dyes her hair, so I found this, and according to her it's safe, and according to a couple of DIY videos it is safe to use, and it's not as bad as the usual bleach dye that people use, so it's safer than the other one. Just that it might not give the results, or it might not stay as long as the usual bleach dye. So yes, I found this, and I also found Revlon. The pack is not here again, so I found Revlon also in the same shade, in shade 73 in Revlon. If you can't find this, you find Revlon, so just ask for the shade 73. So I'll be putting the whole information about the dye in the description box. So this wasn't the color I was going to use because it doesn't look like it's close to my hair color. So I'm thinking of mixing it with Vivid Red. I'll bring the box now and show you what Vivid Red looks like. So God help me with this apopo that I want to do. In case you're not Yoruba, it means mixture. So let's see how this goes. So this is the Vivid Red dye that I'll be mixing with the medium warm brown shade. So first I'll mix the dye in a developer. So like the name says, it's basically just to blend the whole colors together. So I'll be adding the medium warm brown first, then the Revlon dye comes in a tube, so I'll be mixing that in. Then I'll also add a little bit of the Vivid Red shade just to give the color a golden brown feel. So first I'll be sectioning my hair into 4 parts. My hair is extremely fussy, unlike the fine fussy you see on the internet. My hair is thick and full, so this is going to be a lot of work. I hope this turns out well. People should please manage my uneven pattern. I suck at hair DIYs. This is my first attempt, so go easy on me, you guys, please. Okay, so I'll be adding shea butter to the sides of my hair instead of Vaseline because I don't have Vaseline nearby. So instead I used shea butter to add it to the edges to prevent the dye from spilling forward. Then gloves are very important because you don't want dye on your hands. Hey Jesus, this is the color I want to use on my hair. It's giving red. Should I add more brown? God, I'm scared. Pardon me, I think I have to add more brown. So this is me just unraveling the sections and adding the dye gradually to each part. So I'll first be adding it to my hand so as not to spill over everywhere, because trust me guys, this thing is a mess, so you need to be very careful so you don't get everywhere stained. So did it part by part, working it all over my hair. So I wanted it to generously go around, so that's why I'm seeing it just doing anyhow. So now I can, because I have so much hair, so I'm just like trying to make sure it goes around, then I'll start popping it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All the girls couldn't find you, all the guys couldn't find me. Me I no fit attention, me I no fit. You guys, this thing has been taking forever and it's just six minutes. Don't stop. Alright, you guys, I'm scared. Say a prayer with me as we unveil. I don't even know how to even remove it. Is it just me and I cannot see any color? She not hide me. I don't see any color, you guys. I don't know me. I can't see any color yet. Calm down and just do it again. Maybe it will show. That's not to freak out because I can be 30 minutes of waiting in vain. So I really hope it worked this time. Okay, so I think it's worked. Okay, I can see the colors because the colors. So I'm just going to wash it and come back. Okay, so I just finished washing it now and can't really see the colors, but I guess like when it dries you'll be able to see it. So I'll be doing another video dried so you can see. I think you can only just see highlights. Thank you guys for watching up to this point. So this is what my hair looked like after it was a bit damp. Not exactly what I wanted, but anyways, see you guys in another video. Bye.